Changing wandQuilted liner CPSC safety certified by Linen Birch is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Click to order your natural seagrass baby changing basket. CPSC safety certified. Safety tested by an independent lab, and compliant with the Federal Consumer Product Safety Regulations. The only changing table basket on Amazon that has met these requirements for children's changing table safety standards. Natural seagrass diaper changing table basket. This nature-inspired, eco-friendly oval baby changing basket measuring 32x16x4 inches is handmade in Vietnam from natural seagrass. Elegant yet simple, this luxury infant changing basket will add a sophisticated touch to your nursery decor. Changing table pad liner included. The ultra-soft quilted diaper changing pad insert offers your baby's delicate skin all the softness it deserves. Machine washable, it will come out of countless wash cycles fresh and like brand new. Portable topper for nursery changing table or dresser. Change your baby's diapers in style on a dresser or anywhere in your home. The premium quality changing basket is portable and can easily be moved to any area of your home. Perfect for small nursery spaces or when creating a baby nook when sharing a bedroom with your baby. Trendy and sophisticated nursery decor. Perfect for baby's room with today's trendy nursery themes, woodlands, the tropics, boho, desert vibes, back to nature, rattan, modern, small nursery solutions, minimalist. When your baby has outgrown the need for diaper changing, use your seagrass basket as a storage basket for your child's essentials or beautifully style it to use as a culinary serving tray when entertaining or to complete a tablescape.